Hello there and welcome back to another video on my channel. How are we doing today? Today I thought I'd show you how I set up my master mount from the Elgato Multi Mount range, product line, something like that. So let's go! Taking your master mount, using the clamp at the end, screw the clamp to your desk. Although if you have a glass desk, which was my original plan, I felt that the glass needed protection, so I set up a very heavy book to clamp the mount to instead. Turning the knob on the left allows you to move the ball mount socket, which you can attach your camera to. First of all, make sure that that is tight and secure. Now loosen the two revolving dials and set them to whatever height or positioning you need it to be. The two dials control two separate height options, allowing you more possibilities. When you have got your perfect fit, make sure you tighten the revolving dials securely. And that is it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description, as I love them all and wouldn't put them there if I didn't. Let me know in the comments below of anything else you'd like to see me do on this channel, anything else you'd like to see me review on this channel, and if you enjoyed this video. And finally, don't forget to like, leave a nice comment and subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. Bye!